Alright guys, so how to build a successful platform on YouTube in 2021. Well, pretty simple actually. You may think that it's all about creating the best content, having the best camera work, building the best studio and all that stuff. Well, if you thought that was the case, if you thought it was your storytelling that was going to do it, your content that was going to do it, and your actual skills as a YouTuber that were going to do it, then you would be terribly wrong. What actually makes people money on YouTube is clickbaity videos. It is things that attract people to their channel and are so controversial that people are going to spend the time to watch the video from start to finish. They're going to want to comment on it. They're going to want to like or dislike it. They want to basically going to interact with your content as much as possible. So everybody's been telling you lies about YouTube, telling you that, buy fancy equipment, get a studio, work on your communication skills and all that stuff. That doesn't really make you much money on YouTube. What does make you money on YouTube today is all the wrong things. It is figuring out what the hottest topic is at the moment, getting people to engage with your content by being super controversial, possibly even insulting your viewers just so they can start writing comments and talking about your product and then sharing. So as you can see, I don't actually follow this kind of setup, and that is why you notice that although my channel has been online for so many years, possibly since YouTube was created, I've had channels and so on and so forth. You'll notice that I have just like 100 or so subscribers on my channel. It's because I figured this out, and I make content for myself. I make content for people who actually care about technology, and therefore I'm not trying to get famous. I make zero income. I make zero money from my videos, and I have to some extent moral standards, and therefore I will not participate in that kind of stuff to the point where it turns my content into biased content. I do have the occasional video on here that is clickbaity, but if you compare to that and how many videos I actually have posted, then you'll notice that that is like the smallest percentage of my videos. And just the way that I am, I like to test things out. So I have been wondering for so many years and watching like all the YouTube videos that you could possibly find online to how to be successful on YouTube. And sadly, my findings are that none of the things that they tell you you should be doing online are the reason why people are making money online today. And in fact, a lot of people have been, you guys have basically been used by social media so much, and people have been making money off you by basically roping you into channels with super controversial stuff that people just wrote or talked about that they didn't even care about, but that made you angry, and so you would go ahead and comment, like, dislike, and so on and so forth, just so they can make a quick buck off your misery. So now you know, and hopefully you guys can learn your lesson and not get involved as much in all the clickbaity stuff, and hopefully research for stuff that is more educational and eye-opening and good for your mind and well-being, such as learning about fun stuff, technology, experiences, things that you can do on planet Earth that won't get you in trouble. Thanks for watching.